2013 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, trip computer, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, sunroof, passenger vanity mirror, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.